We have all felt that split-second urge to hesitate because a tool or software we are using is a confusing, convoluted mess. Take the customer service reps at this financial call center. To find simple answers, they navigated 4 disconnected systems at once. The corporate solution was a 6-month training program, forcing employees to memorize every cryptic data field and status code. But there was a problem with the math. The average time it took for a rep to transfer out of the department was also exactly 6 months. When people fail, we tend to assume they lack the knowledge, the skill, or the motivation to succeed. These reps were battling an environment gap. We were asking raw human memory to bridge the flaws of a broken system. Designer Donald Norman explains this through 2 categories: knowledge in the head and knowledge in the world. You can see the difference on a standard stovetop. You have 4 burners in a square, but the dials controlling them are in a single straight line. Operating this requires knowledge in the head. You have to memorize how those 2 shapes crisscross, creating a constant risk of turning on the wrong burner. However, if the dials physically mirror the 2x2 layout of the burners, the cognitive burden disappears. By putting the knowledge in the world, the design does the thinking for you. The user just has to look. This immediate clarity is a result of proximity. When the required knowledge lives exactly where the task happens, the need for memory vanishes. We can embed this knowledge into our surroundings through 3 distinct tiers, starting with resources attached directly to our tools. A set of jumper cables with an instructional tag zip-tied to the clamp acts as a safety guardrail. It provides the right information at the exact moment the danger is highest. Tier 2 uses triggers and prompts built directly into the workspace. Many pretzel shops draw actual-size templates onto their prep counters. Employees match the dough to the drawing rather than memorizing dimensions. The final tier is embedded behavior, where the tool itself executes the calculation or timing. Think of a fast food soda machine. An employee presses a single button for a specific cup size, and the machine dispensers the exact volume of liquid needed. Each of these tiers converts a difficult task of mental recall into a near-effortless task of recognition. True efficiency comes from building tools that shoulder the cognitive load, allowing us to bypass the need for intensive training. The physical environment acts as an invisible regulator, dictating our behavior far beyond the workplace. Consider the rise of obesity rates over the last 50 years. Human biology and willpower haven't changed in those 5 decades. What changed was the scale of our world. As dinner plates and beverage servings scaled up, our habits followed. While we often look for complex, tech-heavy solutions to guide behavior, the most elegant execution of knowledge in the world is sometimes a simple line. Boston's Freedom Trail doesn't rely on complex apps or paper maps. The city simply painted a continuous red line on the ground to guide tourists. The next time you see someone consistently struggling with a process, look past the person and examine the path they are walking. Ask what can be altered in the environment to guarantee their success.